Hello, my friend. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fahmi Idrus. I can tell you about Linux. What is Linux? Linux, just like Windows, iOS, and macOS, Linux an operation system. In fact, one of the most popular platform on the planet. Android is powered by the Linux operation system. An operation system is software that manages all of the hardware resources associated with your desktop or laptop. To put it simple, the operating system manages the communication between your software and your hardware. Without the operating system, that software will not function. So, before we learn about Linux, we go back of a history when Linux was created. Linux was created in 1991 by Linus Torvalds, a then student at the University of Helsinki. Torvalds built the Linux as a free and open source alternative to Minix, another Unix clone that was predominantly used in an academic setting. He originally intended to name it Fig, but the administrator of the server Torvalds used the distribute the original code name his directory Linux. After a combination of Torvalds' first name and the word Unix and the name stuck. So, how does Linux differ from operating system? Linux also different from operating system in many important ways. First, and perhaps most importantly, Linux is open source software. The code they use to create Linux is free and available to public to view, edit, and for user with the appropriate skill to contribute to. Linux is also different in that although the core piece of the Linux operation system are generally common, there are many distributions of Linux which include different software options. This means that Linux is incredibly customizable because not just application such as word processor and web browser can be swapped out. Linux user so can use core components such as with system display graphic and other user interface component. Any question? Next, what is distribution? Linux has a number of different versions to suit any type of user, from the new user to hardcore user, and you will find a flavor and Linux to match your needs. This version are called distribution or in the short form distros. Nearly every distribution of Linux can be downloaded for free, booted into disk, and installed. So, popular Linux distribution include Linux Mint, Manjaro, Debian, Ubuntu, OpenSUSE. Each distribution has a different tag and the desktop. Some for very modern user interface such as GNOME and elementary OS pattern, whereas other six stick with a more traditional desktop environment. OpenSUSE use KDE. You can check out the top 1000 distribution on the web distro words. Yeah. How can I get start is using Linux? Yeah. If you had like to install Linux on your home computer to try out, this easy way is to pick up popular distribution that is designed for your platform. For example, laptop or tablet device, and give it shot. Although there are numerous distributions available, most the older will know distribution are good choice for beginner because they have large user communities that can help answer questions if you get stuck or cannot figure things out. Popular distributions include Debian, Fedora, Mint, and Ubuntu, but there are many others. So, that's for from me about the Linux. If there will be question and any question, please read and column comments in this. So thank you very much for your great attention, and thank you. See you. Bye bye.